Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to tell you what happens if you eat sunflower seeds every day. Many people don't know this, but sunflower seeds aren't just for birds. It has many benefits, it's inexpensive, easy to add to your daily routine, and I'm going to give you several cool ideas. And when you consume it regularly every day, there are many health benefits. Stay until the end because you won't want to miss them. If you love tips on nutrition, health, and fitness, you're going to love this channel. Take the opportunity to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I have new videos every day. You're going to love them. I love talking to you more about super seeds, and I already have a playlist here about them. It's really interesting to talk specifically about sunflower seeds, which are very inexpensive and easy to find anywhere. And yes, they are edible. Many people think they can only be used for birds or to feed animals, but they actually have many really interesting health benefits when we consume them. So why should you consume them daily? I'll give you some tips at the end because they're super versatile. So let's get started. One of the major benefits of consuming sunflower seeds daily is that they help reduce inflammation levels in our bodies. Of course, this is very important if you already suffer from any recurring inflammation. For example, knee pain, hip pain, back pain. But inflammation isn't just limited to those localized areas, no. People who have more systemic inflammation are more likely to develop inflammatory diseases and, more broadly, to develop chronic degenerative diseases, contributing to a wide range of long-term health problems that affect multiple organs and systems. There have been some studies that found that when we are able to regularly consume sunflower seeds, they help lower CRP, which is C-reactive protein, one of the main markers of inflammation in our body. This is probably due to the large amount of vitamin E present in sunflower seeds. So if you're looking to reduce inflammation in your body more broadly, sunflower seeds will help you. Remember that I have a playlist here on the channel all about fighting inflammation with lots of additional tips and anti-inflammatory recipes as well. There are many things you can do with your diet. I'll leave that playlist down below. If you don't know, down here in the description, there's the name of the video and an arrow. Click there and a tab will open with all these tips and information for you. It's also very important to mention that a more inflamed body has a harder time losing weight, shedding pounds, and staying slim. So, having a more anti-inflammatory diet will help you lose weight, if that's your goal. In fact, sunflower seeds can also help you lose weight because they help control blood sugar levels to some extent. They are high in fiber and contain healthy fats, so they help lower the glycemic load of the meal they are added to, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. In fact, there have been some studies that found that when we consume a portion of about 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds, postprandial blood glucose, that is, blood sugar after the meal, tends to be a bit lower in people who eat these seeds, so it could be a good option for you. Remember that it's not a miracle cure either. If you have high blood sugar, if you have diabetes, and are looking for dietary tips, make sure to watch the videos because I have a lot of great content here on the channel. I have a playlist with everything for diabetics, which also helps those with high blood sugar, pre-diabetics. There are lots of great tips there. I also have a playlist of low-carb recipes, and the link will be down below in the description for you as well. Sunflower seeds are also very important for the cardiovascular system. They work in several different ways. It contains a naturally occurring compound that helps relax the walls of blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. The more tense the vessel wall is, the more pressure it is under, and the greater the tension, the higher the pressure for the blood to pass through. It's like comparing it to a hose, like the ones we use to spray the kids in the yard or to water the plants. When the hose is flowing well, the water comes out normally. If you squeeze the hose and reduce its diameter, the internal space, the pressure increases, and the water comes out with more force, with higher pressure. So we can make this comparison that relaxing the walls of the blood vessels will help you lower your blood pressure. This is very interesting for anyone who has some kind of heart problem or cardiovascular condition. In addition, some studies have found that regularly consuming sunflower seeds can help lower LDL, which is the bad cholesterol, as well as triglycerides. And the more regulated your blood fat levels are, which are different types of fats, like cholesterol and triglycerides, the better it will be for your cardiovascular system and the lower your risk of having a heart problem. Remember that I have a playlist here on the channel about how to lower cholesterol with tips and recipes, and another one with everything about the cardiovascular system, heart, and arteries. I'll leave them down below in the description for you as well because the videos are really cool and well explained. Sunflower seeds also contain some very valuable and important minerals to consume, which are magnesium and zinc. Magnesium acts in several different ways in our body. I already have a video talking about the benefits of magnesium, and I'll leave it down below in the description. To sum up, magnesium helps improve sleep quality, supports a stable mood and overall sense of well-being, aids in healthy weight loss, and can even help relieve headaches and migraines. So, it's excellent for us to consume the recommended amounts, and a good source of magnesium can be sunflower seeds. Zinc also plays a very important role in our body, especially for immunity. Nowadays, we've been talking more about this. I even have a playlist here about immunity, and a video specifically about zinc and immunity. I'll leave it down below in the description as well. But zinc is also very helpful in increasing testosterone and muscle mass. So in a broad sense, it contains very interesting nutrients to include in your daily diet, and it's a super affordable source of them. Sunflower seeds are also very rich in vitamin E, which is a type of fat-soluble vitamin found in them and is naturally an antioxidant. So it's very beneficial for the skin, for hair, and also for chronic degenerative diseases. The more antioxidants we consume, the less damage we have from free radicals. And this free radical damage can cause the premature aging I mentioned, but it can also lead to some chronic degenerative diseases, or even bring forward conditions that you would only develop many years from now. So, preventing this can be achieved by consuming antioxidant-rich foods, and vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that is present in sunflower seeds. Remember that many people nowadays have a very unbalanced diet and may be deficient in vitamin E. I have a video here talking about the signs of vitamin E deficiency, and I'll leave it down below in the description for you as well. So how can you consume sunflower seeds? It's very easy to add them because they're super versatile in daily life. I have many recipes here. I think I might even create a playlist of recipes with sunflower seeds to inspire you. But look, you can sprinkle them on top of bread before baking. You can add them to your smoothies. You can put them in your green juices. I have playlists here with bread recipes, green juice recipes, smoothie recipes. I'll leave everything down below so you can change things up according to your taste. Try out these recipes, get inspired, and add sunflower seeds wherever you like. Of course, you can also mix them into your healthy granola. I even have a recipe for low-carb, healthy granola. I'll leave it down below in the description. But it goes well with practically everything. You can add it to salads, both green salads and fruit salads. You can sprinkle it on top of meat or grilled fish because it adds that crunch. Some people even make a kind of flour out of it. They grind it up and use it as a coating to bake fish in the oven with some herbs, spices, garlic, and seasonings. It turns out really delicious because it adds a bit of moisture, so the fish doesn't dry out. So, there are lots of interesting options. I'll leave a playlist down below with recipes using sunflower seeds to give you more inspiration. Try to include sunflower seeds in a meal you have more regularly. For example, if you eat yogurt or kefir every day, adding them at that time can help you get into the habit of always remembering to use them. In fact, this healthy granola that you can make at home is a very practical way to include several super seeds for easy and quick use. And it goes really well with yogurt or kefir. That way, you ensure daily consumption in your diet, and it tastes great too. Remember that, as I told you, sunflower seeds will be on the Super Seeds playlist for our health because truly, seeds are actually real gifts from nature, little treasures where we can get several important nutrients that support our well-being. Some are rich in omega-3 precursors like chia and flaxseed. All of them are very high in fiber, protein, healthy fats, and also contain a wide variety of important minerals that support different functions in the body. So it's very important that we try to add more of them into our daily routine. We don't need to eat a tablespoon of sunflower seeds every day. If you mix them with several other seeds, you can enjoy 1 tablespoon, or even more, depending on your preference, in your own personalized mix. And that way, you get a wider variety of nutrients and benefits. So, take a look at the Super Seeds playlist for your health and see which ones interest you the most. Then, make your own healthy granola. Watch the video, of course, so you can better understand how to prepare it. Let me know down below if you already have the habit of consuming them or if you're going to start. What's your favorite recipe? I'd love to see your comment. Like the video because that really helps me a lot, and share it with anyone who will enjoy it or who needs it. Let's work together to grow this chain of good, which is what I want here on the channel. See you next time. Bye.